Today in this video, I'm going to share you how to make money from Clickbank with free strategies. Okay, how to make money from Clickbank step-by-step tutorial with the free strategies. You don't even invest a single dime on investing on this particular strategy. So if you want to learn about the strategy with a proof which I'm going to show you today, so what you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you like this video, just like this video and share this video, and below this video you can even comment if you have any questions. All right, so before we dive into the topic, I want you to subscribe to my channel because I make videos regularly on how to make money from different strategies. All right, so let us dive into today's topic, which is Clickbank for beginners and how we can make money from Clickbank without having a simple funnel, without having a funnel and no autoresponders. All right, so what you need to do is I have created a account. Okay, this account I have recently created just for testing purpose. Okay, and I'm testing it from past 1 month. I'm just doing little testing and tweaking, and of course there's very few money, but yes, for the testing I've made this particular account. Okay, I'm just logging into one of my account. Okay, I'm just logging into it, and you would see this is of course a testing account which I'm testing a simple method, which most of them are saying that we can make money from that particular strategies, but I was like, okay, if we can make money without funnels, creating any funnels, without investing money, without investing on tools on Aweaverse or any autoresponders, no websites, no domains, nothing. All right, so for that I was like thinking whether we can do money or not. So I was just created a separate account, and if you're not able to create a Clickbank account, what you need to do is below this video you would find a link to Fiverr where you can click on that and go and check onto the Fiverr, because they help you to create an account for you. So they charge you around $10 to $15, not more than that, and you can get your account created with Clickbank. All right, so that is also one way of getting your account done with the Clickbank. So you can see here every week, okay, I was able to make $458. Okay, you can see here on April 19th I made $457, and if you can see here also on this particular week I've made which was April 13th, I made again the same. Okay, so let me show you also the transaction which actually happened. Okay, you can see here, okay, you can see here two results for 2 weeks. Okay, you can see here two results for 2 weeks because I was applying the strategies, and yes, I was able to even collect the leads also, but that was the reason. You can see here email. I emailed them one and they actually bought it. So this is what the transaction happened in just 2 weeks time. Okay, how was I able to do it? I was able to do it was find a particular offer to promote. Okay, so I used to promote a mid affiliate ticket. Okay, and if you are also looking at what I'm doing it below this video, you would find my #1 recommendation of you to check out this webinar which has helped me to scale up to this level. All right, so here you need to find the different kinds of products. What you can do is you can go to the marketplace, find some products, and I used to promote e-business products, so you can go with any niches, any product you do it. Okay, you can go with CV University, you can go with John system, you can go with any system. Make sure their gravity, okay, make sure their gravity should be above than 15%. Okay, you can see here if the gravity is 100 and above, it means that there are many affiliates who are promoting this particular product. All right, so that is of course a boom. All right, so this is where you need to check on their product, and in order to get your link, what you need to do is you just need to generate your hop link, and this is what the link which has been required. All right, so here is the way you need to get your link. And the next method is what we do is we just go to Canva, okay? We just go to Canva and design some pictures, okay? We design some pictures. You can see here I've designed tons of pictures. There are so many pictures which I've designed for my ads, for my presentations, even definitely even for the YouTube. You can see here I do a lot of things with canva.com, which is free of cost, but I'm using even a paid because I require certain tools which I use it. Below this video you would find even the link towards it, and you can see here these all are pictures which I've created for Pinterest. Okay, this is where you would see tons of traffic coming in for free. Okay, I haven't invested any amount of money, but yes, invested little time, not much, little time. Okay, so first step is you need to join is Pinterest. Okay, so you can see here with just 1 month I had an opportunity of getting 32, nearly about 33,000 people, unique viewers checking onto my profile, and after that there were few impression which actually went on checking on the informations. If you can see here, I have various pictures uploaded, various pictures actually, and what I've done is the first step which you need to do is you need to create a board. Okay, the first thing what you need to do is create an account with Pinterest, and after that you need to create your board. You can see here I have about many boards over here. If you can see here, there are many boards which I have because I'm working on different niches, and it has a very good you can see how to make money online. I have keto blouses, kids dresses, and definitely the jewelries, mehendis, and make money online. If you can see here, I have many pins over here. Okay, so what you need to do is, for the first foremost, what you need to do is first create an account with Pinterest, and after that you need to create boards. Minimum you need to create is 10 to 15 boards, and each board should have at least 15 to 20 pins to start off. All right, first to create the boards, and after that what you need to do is you need to follow people. How you would be able to follow people? This is what the search bar is. So what you need to do is just a minute. Okay, so here what you need to do is you just need to type in whatever you are searching in. If you are into work from home job niche, if you are into affiliate marketing niche, if you are into cooking niche, if you are into any niches, transcriptions niche, or any niches, all right. So whatever niches you are, you need to type in, and what you need to do is you just need to, you can see here, you just need to pin them into your board. Okay, you just need to pin them into your board. So why you have to do it? Because we wanted your board to get recognized. Okay, if you want to have traffic, then what you need to do is you need to pin other people's pins. Okay, so in Pinterest we call them as pins, where you are helping other people. You can see here I'm just clicking on it, and this pin is being saved automatically onto my own board. Okay, so once we do that, and once we have about nearly about some 200 to 300 pins on each of a board, and after that is the main work which you do it is you create your pictures, these kind of pictures. Okay, and with those pictures what you can do is you can, here in this pin, one thing is the pins pictures are clickable. Okay, and when someone clicks on these pictures they go to certain link. Okay, if you can see here, it goes to one of the link, and I'm just going to one of the blogs of this particular person, and you can see here if I do something over here, they get some commissions out of it. So this is where the Pinterest works in. Okay, you can either promote your blogs, you can promote directly your affiliate link as well. Okay, so that's what we wanted you to do it. Okay, so how to do it is you just need to go here, you just click on create pin. Okay, and you just need to put the image over here, or I'm just putting a random images. Okay, just for the testing, but you have to create a pictures related for the interest and then upload it. Okay, so I'm just uploading any of the pictures. Let me check. I'm just uploading a random pictures. I don't want you to upload this random pictures, okay? So you have to give a very catchy title. To make $100 a day. Okay. So, and what you can do is, this method help me to make $100 a day without any investment. So along with that, you need to use is the hashtags. Who have to find you? So you have to make sure you need to use the hashtag so that your board, your pin will not get searched. Okay, so you need to use this hashtags. Okay, so and you can give your destination link. So for this testing purpose, what I'm doing is I'm just checking in the information on Clickbank. Okay, I'm just going and generating the hop link and copying it and typing my destination link. I'm just going here and clicking on publish, and once it has been published, I wanted it to even get published on how to make money online. That is what my board is all about. Okay, so here what we'll do is we will be giving our clocking that link. Okay, I'm just clocking that link and publish it. So once it has been done, you can find your link. So how I made this kind of money was I was just testing and tweaking with this whatever I said you today. What you need to do is, the first step is create an account in Pinterest, and the second step is you need to create minimum 15 boards, and each board need to have at least minimum is like 200 to 300 pins. And once you pin other people's pins into yours, and after that the main work starts off is you need to create different pictures for different product, and you need to clock that link, and after that you need to post in as I shared with you. Okay, and you can, if you want, you can even see the analytics what's happening onto my own account for this particular month. You can see here, this is for 1 month activity. Okay, you can see here I had total of nearly about 55,000 impressions, which is really very good. Though I was not working really serious, but I did had very good impressions. You can see here where the claim accounts from mobiles and from desktop, from where did you have got the traffic. You can see here mostly from the mobiles, and you have nearly about 47,000 people checking in the informations, right? So here also you can see the sources. You can see here the sources from you. Okay, so from me I already have about 47, and if it is all devices, if you can see it, I have about nearly 55,000 impressions, right? And if you can see the engagement, right, here you can see here I have an engagement of 3,300, so which is very good. Okay, and after that, because with the engagement what happens is we'll be having the link clicks. I had really definitely very few link clicks, but this link clicks got me some sales. Okay, this link clicks got me some sales. Do little effort, this will help you to get certain sales. You can see here 34 link clicks got me 2 sales of $450 per sale. So I nearly made about $900 with just doing with little tweaking and twisting and investing nearly about 1 hour a day for about, I just work for few days. I do not work regularly. If I would have worked regularly, I would have crossed I would have made every week these kind of commissions, and this we can scale up you can actually scale up also. Okay, so you can see here this is how this analytics will look like. Okay, you can see here the engagement rate, close-up rate, and the save rate, saves. Many people even saves yours pins. So you can see here there are 317 my pin has been saved by other people, because I have saved other people's, and other people also have saved my pin also. So what you need to make sure is with Pinterest, every day you have an option of following 300 people. Okay, every day you have an option of following 300 people. okay, and once you follow them, even they get to follow. So there is a math behind that. If you follow 300 people, majorly 400 to 500 people will follow you. I just applied the strategy onto my account, and I just did for twice, and you can see here I do have about 892 followers, though I'm following a huge, okay, I'm following about some 500 people, but you can see here 892 are actually following me, and I have plenty of my pins. And yeah, this is how I've created my pins, and they go to certain of my blogs, and I have even other people's pins also onto my account. So what happens over here is you get tons of traffic to your pins, and that is where you get a lot of people hopping in. And if you do the strategies on a regular daily basis, this monthly unique might get changed to millions. Okay, believe me, I would even show you the strategy very soon, showing you more income into my this test account and more monthly unique viewers into this Pinterest. I'll be sharing you more other strategies what I'm doing it, but believe me, this whatever strategies I've done it's free of cost. Okay, it just cost me little time. And if you don't know how to create a pictures, you can go to Fiverr. You can check out the link below this video. You can click on it and check on the Fiverr. From the Fiverr you get a discount of 10%, and yes, you make tons of money. And yes, this is how you can drive traffic and make in a day $450 with just pinning other people's pins. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, get notified, because I make videos on a daily regular basis. And below this video you will find my #1 recommendations, which is helping me to make $1,000 to $2,000 on a regular daily basis. All right, so take care and bye bye.